Hello there, tutor. This is the group number 11. We are going to talk about children resilience. Hello, Wilson. Hello, Nasli.
Hello.
Wilson, maybe would you like to start about talking about resilient children?
Well, keeping in mind the education of resilience, the ability of a person to face and overcome difficult situations in their life after having happened to him. This situation can occur different ways, having in fact when individual. Some example of resilience can be an accident, the loss of a loved one, abuse, among others.
Okay. For me, I would like to make a summary about resilient children. For me, is in another words, also, is the ability to improve adverse, sad, difficult, stressful or traumatic situations. Is when someone has the possibility to overcome a difficult problem or something like that. What do you think? What do you want to say? Maybe Nasli, please. Nasli.
About my own concept about resilience is the capacity to face different complex situations like economic crisis, illness, natural disasters, terrorist attack, job loss, crime, divorce, child abduction, and the death of a loved one. We are psychological strength to cope situations surged with a heavy stress and with sadness.
It's okay. Yeah, really. And for Wilson, what do you think about the resilient children, or what do you have to say now, please?
Yeah, I can say to build resilience in children, it's necessary to create a strong relationship between the family and adults in the community, teachers, coaches, caregivers, that give them confidence by handling their strengths, abilities, face situation of daily life and learn to deal with them. That, for example, the school is a space where they can develop the ability to overcome difficulties because they must face situations such as intimidation, the hatred of death to achieve its objective. If you can learn about the subject, you will know how to face these events.
Okay, Wilson, you give a good example. I think we must create resilient children because everybody in some moments, in any moment, have ups and downs. So they must be prepared for this because it's inevitable confronted with life challenges. Therefore, I dare say that their personalities will be more defined, and they will have a leadership aptitude. So for me, it's important to create a resilient children. What do you think, Nasli?
Resilience should be built in childhood because it's here that the kid can grow up with a strong and healthy personality in which knows how to face traumatic events teacher can work in building resilience within schools, like, for example, the use of play, make sure that the school is a safe place, and turn to his or her little students and never left the room with them.
Okay. I would like to talk about the resilient children in the school. I think so. This is not a common topic, neither well attended, but it is important that in general education is given to all students. And in case of detection, in case of someone detection of particular cases, to attend it in a personalized way, showing them that others who care about them, thus they achieve a receptive interaction, and the child develops adaptive capacity to control situations and solve problems. For me, in conclusion, I think also the most important factor in creating resilient children, is the love. They must receive the love in all their environments. For example, in the school, in the family. If the children have love and share the love, always they will be resilient children, and it gives them more positiveness, security, and they can support many difficulties in their lives. Maybe do you want to say something, another thing, or that's all, mates?
I would like to add something that for me was interesting. For example, resilience is the main actors in wiring resilience in children and parents and teachers in home or in classroom. They should remove from positive thoughts in different situations to promote look after themselves, keep trying open communication, to learn from mistakes, accept the change all the time, to foment activities like exercise through a frisbee, kick a board, a hula hoop, spin, dance, star, walk a dog, etc.
Okay, yeah, that is important. I think so. Everybody now has to be resilient because is impossible. Doesn't have problems in this life. So it's important to support that one, and of course for the children it's more important also. Do you want to say something, Wilson, or I think so it's correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Okay, so I think so now this is the last web conference by group. So thank you so much, dear mates, Nasli and Wilson, for your time and to share your opinions. Maybe we will see you in another time. Thanks to their tutor Monica to listen up then, and so I think so we can say bye bye.
Okay, bye. Thanks for all for the support and advices.
Bye bye, Wilson.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, everybody.
Yeah,